Moving on, as at July the 3rd, nearly 17,300 people have received one dose of the Sinovac vaccine, but they are not included in Singapore's national vaccination count, which only reflect those vaccinated under the national vaccination program, namely with the Pfizer and Moderna shots. But those jabbed with Sinovac still have their records in the National Immunization Registry and the Health Hub mobile app.
We do track all who receive Sinovac vaccinations in Singapore. The clinics that we have allowed and licensed to provide vaccination using the Sinovac vaccine report details of those who have gotten vaccinated, and therefore we do have a count. But we have not attempted to conflate the reporting that we've done by only reporting those that are vaccinated with vaccines under the National Vaccination Program, so as to better reflect the efforts we're taking within our National Vaccination Program to get the population vaccinated and to achieve the milestones. At an opportune moment when the numbers build up, we may give you a sense in terms of the numbers who also have been vaccinated using the Sinovac vaccine. But at this time, our focus remains on the PSA recognized vaccines that we are using. Also, we still have little data concerning the efficacy of the Sinovac vaccine, specifically against the variants of concern that currently that we are currently seeing, and that's particularly the Delta variant. Whereas in the other vaccines that we're using, the mRNA vaccines, there's a little bit more data available at this point in time concerning the vaccine efficacy against the Delta variant. And this is partly the reason why we've chosen in our milestones to rely on the more tested vaccines which we have sufficient evidence that there is a good amount of protection from that vaccination, and use that for our data when it comes to achieving the targets that we have.
Meanwhile, Minister Ong Ye Kung said earlier today that according to a study of about 1,000 household contacts of COVID-19 cases here, NCID and MOH found that vaccine efficacy against the Delta variant is 69% consistent with other studies worldwide. Comparing the effectiveness of the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine, just on Monday, Israel's health ministry announced that it was 64% effective against all infections. Last Saturday, researchers in Canada pegged its effectiveness at 87%. In Britain, the effectiveness is 88% against symptomatic disease from the Delta variant. And a study from Scotland concluded that the vaccine was 79% effective against the Delta variant, while experts say the range of numbers should be expected as it's difficult for a single study to accurately pinpoint the effectiveness of a vaccine.